94 bottles of beer on the wall, 94 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around, 93 bottles of beer on the wall.
One less
They wanna know.
bell, one
It's too early to be drinking, bro.
Diamond.
They wonder how many albums I can drop in a year. Or can I really kill a rapper without dropping a tear? Do I really keep a ratchet when I'm shopping for gear? Was I really on the block with my peers? They wanna know. If you had to take a guess, you know the answer is yes. Took my chances with the devil out here dancing with death. Steve Francis with the rocket. Sunshine filling up my pockets. Ducking one time in court dockets for the hell of it. Heaven sent, bitches say I'm arrogant. Diamonds in the chain, living elegant. What forever, fortune over fame. Made my name live forever. Lost my wifey to the game over gold chain endeavors. She finally found the one. I'm thinking better late than never. The God never been soft spoken, that's makes him better. Better him than me. Had the great Porsche Carrera with the leather seats. Paid in full like Rakim and Eric B. Every week I say I'ma quit smoking and drinking. Living check to check and be dead broke by the weekend. White liquor lordy looking sporty in the coupe. Pushing 40, sipping 40s with your shorty on the stoop, huh?
one less
They wanna know.
bell, one
They wanna know.
less
They wanna know. Yeah.
bell, one
They wanna know. Yo, I never changed. Plucking my gray hair, stuck in my ways. Drunk in the days, sunk in the range, clutching the gauge for dear life. Fuck making minimum wage. I'd rather die before I be another criminal cage. I got kids to rage, and at this age I can't risk it. Full of venom and rage, I cannot be optimistic. Baby mama drama make me wanna pop the biscuit. I'm sick of all these ungrateful bitches. Rappers online popping shit, getting too big for they britches. I'm big dangerous, nigga, you just a little vicious. Trigger finger itching, scratch your name off the list. Get your lima bean split, put the pump in your mouth like it's Primatine Mist. Got the block lit, Billie Jean, then flee the scene. I ain't seen shit. All I ever wanted was a pair of clean kicks. A chick who like to cook clean and suck a mean dick. Beams on the strap like we SEAL Team 6. Keep my names in they raps cause they real need clicks. Kamikaze Mick, spit slick as an oil spill. I don't feel none of y'all, never have and never will.
one less
They wanna know, huh?
bell,
Real.
one
They wanna know. What the fuck?
one less
They wanna know.
bell, one
They wanna know.